my favorite thing about having a Fire Stick is being able to just search things just using the mic. So I'm just gonna press and hold this. 4K fireplace.
Getting that from YouTube.
Okay, then we're gonna go through and just pick one here. And you could change the sound with just the Fire Stick remote. And just to give you an idea what the quality looks like with the 4K. So today we're gonna be taking a quick look at this Fire Stick. I'm just gonna show you everything that is in the box. So we have the Fire Stick itself, the extender. So you could just plug this in like that, just to give yourself some extra room. It comes with batteries, it comes with the remote, and then it comes with the power cable. So you're gonna plug this into the Fire Stick itself, and then obviously to a power source. So I'm going to install this onto my TV and give you a quick look around like the App Store and everything like that. Okay, so I just plugged it into my TV and just gonna hit the play button to get it started. Select my language, English, and I'm just gonna be going through this part as quick as I can. So it's just gonna download the latest software. Okay, now that's done updating, it's just gonna be registering my account. If you already had a previous Fire Stick, then you could just restore your settings and everything from the old Fire Stick. So I'm just gonna click restore, and then all you have to do is choose your streaming services. So let's get started and go through a couple of the ones that you actually want. So I'll take Disney, Hulu, Peacock, ESPN. And it's just telling me that it's going to be adding the apps onto my channels. Click finish. And you could choose your screensaver, whether you want photos from your Amazon Photos or just stock photography. I'm just gonna go with my photos. Okay, then it brings me out to my home page here, and you could just go through, and if you'd like to edit the apps that show up here, you just go over to the right and click right there, and then you can see all of your apps and channels, and you could just move things around however you would like. Highlight them, and then click on these three lines. And then you have the option to move or do whatever you want to. You could also remove it. So we'll move to front because that's something I use a lot. I use a lot of YouTube. So let's say you want something that's not here. You would just go down, go to the app library, and you would find an app that isn't already installed. So let's say I want Crunchyroll. So let's click on there, and then you could sign up for a free trial with Amazon, or if you already have a subscription, you could choose to download the app only. So I'm gonna click there. So Crunchyroll just got done downloading, so we're going to move that up here like that. And my favorite thing about having a Fire Stick is being able to just search things just using the mic. So I'm just gonna press and hold this. 4K fireplace.
Getting that from YouTube.
Okay, then we're gonna go through and just pick one here. And you could change the sound with just the Fire Stick remote. And just to give you an idea what the quality looks like with the 4K. Oh yeah, it's looking nice.